everyone, I'm Mary from Feiyutech, and nice to meet you. Today I'm going to show you our two latest items for smartphone and for the action camera. In my hand, this is the Vimble 2. It's the latest item for the smartphone, and the most advantages here you can see it can make the selfie. And this is the joystick. You can control it, turn up, down, and turn around. And this is the function button, can change the working model. And this is the start button. After you connect the app VCool is successfully, you can control to make the picture and video directly like this. And when you press 3 times this button, can turn back the lens, so you can make the selfie. Sorry. Yes, it can turn back. Okay. And this is the zoom in button. Can make zoom in, zoom out. And here have the trigger button. Okay, so you can make it short like this. This is Vimble 2. And next I will introduce this one. This one is for the action camera. It adopted the 35 degrees 90 design. So you can see the GoPro screen is very clear. And also keep the balance by the knob. It's very easy to keep the balance. And also it's added the OLED indicator, so you can see the Wi-Fi and the battery consumption and the working model. It's very clear. This is the joystick. Control is turn around. And this is the function button to change the working model. And after you connect the Wi-Fi, you can control the GoPro to take the picture. And this button to change the model for take the picture and take the video and then taps. So this is the G6. Thank you.